my privilege and pleasure that on behalf of Nielsen South Asia to welcome you all to the South Asia Excellence Award 2021. I am Nisha Marimuthu and I will be hosting this event along with Shubhang Chaturvedi. You have had all your reward and recognition events in the previous editions live on stage, and the experience I'm sure has been super brilliant. Well, I promise you that this virtual event will be as electrifying, as engaging, and power packed as you expected. Who would have thought that we would be hosting a virtual award event few months back? No, right? Yet we are here changing with the time to keep you all connected and appreciated. Look at the power of technology and the innovative spirit of Nielsen that we are here today, you and I, in the comfort and safety of our own homes, still come together to celebrate this momentous occasion. A new day, a new world, and a new normal. So ladies and gentlemen, let's gear up and welcome Mr. Shubhang Chaturvedi.
Thank you so much, Nisha, for introducing me. Our theme for the awards this year is Despite and Not Because of.
Ladies and gentlemen, we have a very interesting and interactive engagement session now. Yes, all you're going to do is become a super duper winner, and it's very simple. Just watch the screen right now. We're going to be flashing some questions and giving you some options for that. You have to quickly find the right answer and type it out in the comment box that you see in your YouTube link. The first person who manages to give us the right answer is clearly going to be a winner, and that person is going to get a surprise gift. Yes, we will reach out to you. Alright, with that, let the fun begin now. Who is the actor in this picture? And the options, as you see, Aamir Khan, Amitabh Bachchan, Akshay Kumar and Kamal Haasan. Guess now. Let's move to the next one. How many kilos did Aamir Khan weigh while playing a 60-year-old Mahavir Singh role in the movie Dangal? 95 kgs, 98 kgs, 102 kgs or 105? What do you think it is? Let's move to the next one. When was the first COVID-19 case identified in India? On 30th Jan 2020 or 14th Jan 2020 or 5th February 2020? The last option would be 28 Jan 2020. Make your bid now. All you have to do is simply give the right answer in the comment box that you see in YouTube right away, and we are looking at all your answers, and we're going to handpick the first right person who's sending us the right answer, and you are going to get super lucky. We will get in touch with all the winners after the show shortly, but ladies and gentlemen, give your right answers immediately. Go for it. Ladies and gentlemen, what is Usain Bolt's fastest 100-meter time? As you see, those are the seconds. Option A, option B, option C and D has been given to you. Look at the numbers closely and give your right answer. Let's move to the next one. What was the first name of hashtag symbol? A very interesting question. Was it a pound sign or octotop or number sign or Z mark? Who can tell? And the last question for you is, what was Google originally called? Google, Backchat, Backrub or Googly? Come on, take a guess now. Ladies and gentlemen, with that, it's time to have another wonderful performance for us. We have Manish Vasudev who's going to come and sing a very interesting song. So let's hear him out. The next award in this category is for Best Professional Kolkata Hub. This one is presented to an individual or a team that has made efficiency improving contributions to the overall Global Report Center deliverables. Now, let's have a look at the nominations for this award. The winner of the Best Professional Kolkata Hub Award goes to NIS 2RTL team. Congratulations to the winners Subrajyoti, Arpan, Soham, Shivangi, Shriparna and Maidul. The NIS 2RTL team has developed 72 Energizer and 80 Mondelez reports and are committed for BAU delivery of an average of 585 reports annually. The team automated the QC process for each report, BAU delivery process, and innovated a different way of designing Nielsen Insight Studio extracts, process folders, and report template library reports. This saved an average of 415 hours annually and reduced man hours to build reports, making NIS 2RTL cost effective and attractive solutions to offer to its clients. Congratulations to the team.